Well, it's been a pretty typical August weekend for us so far. Did not hit 100 degrees yesterday, but remember the normal high this time of the year is 97. We continue to be in kind of our hottest stretch of the summer normally. The problem with this summer so far is just we've been in this pattern since June, and obviously things have been dry and hot here locally. Love Field sitting at 81, no delays. It does feel like 85. Here's DFW Airport where, like I said, it did not hit 100 degrees for the first time in 21 days yesterday. It's been 3 weeks since we've seen a temperature below 100 degrees, and that happened yesterday afternoon. No delays there if you are catching a flight at the moment. Here's what happens later on today. It'll be close to that 100 degree mark this afternoon. I think DFW gets there today, but if it doesn't, it'll be another high of probably 99 to 100 or so. Best chance for the triple digits will be kind of the western half of North Texas, anywhere from around 100 to 103. Eastern parts of North Texas maybe holding below that 100 degree mark, about 96 to 99 or so, but the humidity, remember, a little higher across this area, so you'll definitely feel like above 100 degrees this afternoon. No heat advisories in place. It's just typical August heat in store for us, and if you're counting on a shower or storm, don't, because most places will be dry. Even in the areas that have a chance for rain today, your coverage is 10%, and that's probably even on the little high side. It's probably like 5% or something like that. But there might be a little bubble up shower storm across our far western areas, southern North Texas, more so down into central Texas and east Texas this afternoon. But this upcoming week, I have better chances for rain. It's not a widespread soaking rain on any one of these days, but it is a chance for more showers and storms to be out there. Maybe, I don't want to say widespread coverage, but maybe a little bit better chance of you seeing a shower or storm. 20 to 30% coverage. Maybe one of those days we can bump up to a 40% coverage. That's being a little optimistic. We'll see by the time we get there. It'll be just that activity that kind of bubbles up, maybe rains for 10, 15, 20 minutes and then moves on. You get a heavy downpour if you happen to be underneath it. If you're right on the fringe, you might only get a sprinkle or two. A lot of you will probably be disappointed at the end of the week when it comes to your rainfall totals, but hey, at least it's something, and those rain chances and cloud cover are going to help hold us below 100 degrees as well. Tomorrow afternoon and evening, there's some showers and storms that may kind of move from Oklahoma into kind of the northern half of North Texas. Still going to be very hit or miss activity. Same thing on Tuesday. And then as we head into Wednesday, it's just kind of that afternoon and evening stuff that goes away as we lose the heat of the day. By Thursday, the activity may shift to kind of the southern portion of North Texas, and by Friday, it looks like it will be mainly dry, but there still might be a lingering shower or storm across our southern areas. It's a tenth, maybe a quarter of an inch across the area. Of course, if you find yourself underneath the heavy, if you're like right under the core of a thunderstorm, you might pick up a little bit more than that, but a tenth to a quarter of an inch, not going to get us out of the drought. Remember, we need about a foot to 15 inches of rain to just completely get rid of the drought. That's not happening this week, so a tenth to a quarter of an inch really is not going to make much of a dent in the activity either. 96 by Wednesday, that's the coolest day of the upcoming week. That's actually below normal for this time of the year by a degree. So it's nice to see some 90s, nice to see some better rain chances in the forecast, but by next weekend and into next week, it's not like this signals a change for the end of the summer. We're right back in the triple digits and dry by next weekend into the following week.